So I went inside for a second and came back, and this is what he was doing. He found a dirt hole and a rock. Ew! I thought it was poop. And he's eating it. Hey, hi! That can't be that good for your teeth. That can't be good for your teeth, mister. Tyler. Tyler. Hey! Is that good? That tastes good? Oh, he is sucking the dirt off of it. That is so nasty. Tyler, quit! I don't think I've ever seen you this dirty before. Never. Oh, now he saw the camera. Don't eat the grass. No! Put it down. Well, it's true what they say, boys in dirt are like magnets. No, don't eat that. No! Oh, that's the rock. You can have that. Mm-hmm. You can't have the camera. Alright, I gotta get some pictures now. He's getting around good now. He's crawling pretty fast. Say bye! Say bye-bye!